Good morning. This is Nalini, social scientist and psychologist. In today's Light Up Your Life topic, we'll talk about focus on self care for film actors. Why I took this topic to present day we are observing so many actors and other people who are related to the film industry feeling stress and makes them to be depressed also. It leads to the not only mental health, even it may be a problem to the physical health. Getting into the film industry is not an easy task. To get popularity, glamour, it's not that much easy to become that much famous in this field. They may feel inferior to share their emotions with the closed ones also. Some of the people they may enter into the this industry with a college dropout, so much interest in acting makes them to move away from their houses also. We heard so many interviews how the people entered later by getting success. We can understand how much stress they faced in the beginning of their to fulfill their interest also. Keeping them at top level for a long period is difficult with many up and downs. Sometimes it leads to trauma also. Anxiety and stress are high level in film actors, especially adjusting to that timings. Sometimes they may face stress also. A small dose of stress is good. It can help one meet daily challenges, motivates one to reach goal and make physical and mentally strong. Sometimes there is a chance to feel distress. They can't share their feelings with other people also. In that moment, there is a chance to get some disturbance in their life also. Most of the film industry group, it may be a directors, producers, actors, sometimes by choosing the stories according to the public interest, sometimes there is a chance to face some of the problems, even they don't want to express their personal feelings also. According to the taste of the public, they want to present. In that moment, we can observe some of the points said by one of the psychiatrists. Celebrities called as emote both on off camera also. They have to accept according to the director in front of the camera, uphold their feelings also. To present aura in presence of fans or media in their wrong interpret also. If they is there any mistake, there is a chance to face some criticism in media also. That's why there is a chance to be alert in presence of the camera. In that moment there is a chance to get some distress. All these, even with that one, they have to maintain the beauty conscious also. Is there any overweight? It may be a problem. Some changes in their personality or beauty, handsomeness, it leads to some other problems. In maintaining all these, sometimes some of the people they will go for plastic surgeries, that is body dysmorphic disorder. Even every time they are looking at the mirror, they want to see them as a beautiful or a handsome. In that one also there is a chance, if they get 1 kg of weight also, they will be very serious. In that way, there is a chance to miss their food. Then they may neglect that one. Taking time, getting sleep in a proper way, these are the chances to get another problem also. Actors plan to go for some other surgeries to maintain all this. According to the role of the film also, they want to maintain. Even though they are busy by doing all this, sometimes is there any gap, they can't tolerate that one also. In that way, we can use that word workaholic. A workaholic is a person who works most of the time and finds it difficult to stop working. Mind beating of extra work, sleep deprivation, unhealthy meal plans, the body leads to triggers a stress response also. These are all influencing the disturbing their both physical and mental health also. Proper precautions are essential from the beginning of their life in the film industry. If they provide that much attention, there is no chance to face the problems in the future also. We discussed so many points. What way there is a chance to get some psychological problem adjustment, all these. How to cope up all these. Now we will discuss. Nearly 150 million people need therapy for mental health in India. But we are not having experts to treat all these. If we take some of the examples in other countries, even in the film field also, we heard that one they got some psychiatrist. Curtis Robert said that one therapy is not for a sick people. Is there any disturbance in maybe a maladjustment? We can consult a therapist. A therapist can identify the problematic behavior. Even how we may get physical health problems, we may consult the specialist. Like that only, is there any disturbance? It may be changes in behavior. We can't identify our problem. In that moment, if we get that type of situation, definitely we must meet the therapist. In that moment, they may suggest some of the points what way we can come out of that situation to get some emotional awareness. It's not that much easy. So, slowly there is a chance to get some changes. Some of the performing companies also they are giving priority even in Sydney also we got that much priority. But compared to that one, even our film group also spending more money on films. But if they get that type of idea, definitely we can solve some of the depressive situations by their busy life in the film field. Not only to the actors, other people also, it may be a director, financial crisis, other technicians, they may feel stress in adjusting to the this type of environment. So even in film schools also if they introduce some of the topics related to the stress situation, definitely they may cope up from the beginning of their entry into the film field. So there is a chance to get some distraction. They can spend time by some minimum exercises whatever possible. It may be a breathing exercise, progressive muscular relaxation techniques, whatever possible for them. It may be yoga, meditation. Even they can plan in that area also. Some of the problems are there even in busy schedule also. If they fix that type of timing every day 15 or 20 minutes, even in that shooting spot also, definitely they may cope up to the psychological problems. They may adjust even by completing that work also. There is no chance to feel stress. Another one, even though condition is serious, therapist is very important. We should not feel inferior to meet any psychologist or psychiatrist to get that one. Otherwise, it leads to other problems also. If we solve that one in the primary level, there is no chance to get some severity. So some of the problems make you to feel some confidential. You don't want to spend time even to the family members, closed ones, friends, attending to the family functions also. It gives some chance to get some distance by meeting the people. So it is also giving chance to get some isolation, not only in working films. By public relations you may miss. Even though there is no that much privacy to attend, it leads some stress in your mind. So definitely, is there any problem? It is better to consult a therapist in the beginning. You know that one, how you suffered to get this position. In that moment, if we follow some of the tips, definitely we may get the confidence levels in being as a actor also. If we read some of the stories, how they face the problems in planning of their finances without money, how they suffered, by observing these stories also, it teaches some one lesson to future life also. In decision making is very important. Planning of that one also, it is essential. to get that confidence to get good life also. Even we should not neglect the family. Is there any missing of the rapport between the family members and to the actor? It leads so much stress. Even in later days, there is no chance to get this again. So we must give priority to spend time with the family also. Is there any free time? It is better to spend time by filling some puzzles, listening to the music, whatever you like, what are the hobbies you are having. If you plan that one, there is no chance to get a distress. Is there any gossip? Don't give that much value. But being as actor, it's not that much easy to convince so many people's mindset also. Different fans, they may have more expectations to prove their hero in a so and so position. But we can't satisfy all the members, but we must take that one in a positive way. Then there is no chance to get problems in that life also. Then first you must develop trust on yourself. I can get success. This is positive mood make you to be as an optimistic way. Another one, don't tempt to any alcohol or drugs. Is there any problematic situation? Try to engage your mind, whatever you like. It may be a hobby, spending time with the family members, it may be a parents, all these. It makes you to feel happy. Another way you can get chance not to miss social relations also. Is there any occasion possible for you? Try to spend time to get all these. But as a celebrity, you may get so many problems to enter into the public. But if we have that type of planning, there is no chance to get a problematic situation. Then another one also, plan your recreation not to feel disturbance. Is there any problem? It may be in the story of the film also. Sometimes there is a chance to get that point in your mind. It gives you chance to lack of sleep, lack of rest also. In that moment, you must plan your recreation, whatever you like, listening to music, spending time with a pet dog, whatever it may be a nature. You can plan all these. There is a chance to keep your mind in a healthy way. Being as an actor, we got so much competition. Sometimes there is a chance to get tough competition, making you to get some other problems also. First, you must try to compare with the others. According to the situation, there is a chance to get success or a failure. It's not only failure of you only. So many reasons are there to get that film failure also. It may be a technicians, directors, producers, then other people also. With that on also, public is also. Different reasons are there to get the failure. Don't think that one is only yours. Every failure is a milestone to get success. Another one also, try to spend more time on media. It's not also good. So sometimes this type of media, getting that information, it may be a rumors, disturbs your mind. You must prove yourself what is the responsibility you are having. That type of knowledge make you to take that one as a sportive way. But we should not give that much priority. What is the value? What is the necessary for you? Up to that, if you follow, there is no chance to get some disturbance. Even if you disturb a lot, there is a chance to miss good opportunities. In every moment, we have to be alert in being as a member in the public. Another way, as it is, we have to give that much priority to your personal life also. But even if you get any emergency, don't feel to consult a therapist, especially how we may get problem to consult the physician. Then is there any necessity? It is better to consult a psychologist or a psychiatrist. As it is, we may get problems to all the people, not only to the celebrities. It may be a business person, it may be a farmer, it may be a housewife. Different levels, most of the people they may face the problem. But depression or a frustration, if we get taking that one as a right way to solve the problem, it is one of the important strategy to lead successful life. So if we follow all these, definitely we may get good strength to lead our life in a successful way. If you have any doubt, my website address http colon slash slash nalini pilluru psychologist.com. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.